In Jimma, Ethiopia, thousands of displaced people from Hararge live in a friction zone. Traditional aid provides food and shelter, but it doesn't provide a voice. Without communication tools, social tension turns into conflict. We created Abdinaga. We don't just mediate, we design civic architecture. By combining modern design thinking with the indigenous Gada system of consensus, we transform passive aid recipients into active architects. Supported by the British Council and the European Union, we have successfully resolved 192 local disputes with 96% success rate. We are proving that peace is a scalable service. With the IF Social Impact Prize, we will launch the Peace Summit Kit across Ethiopia. Join us in building a future where dialogue is the foundation of dignity. We are Abdinaga.